here's part 2 of today, exponential transformations. Okay, so exponential transformations, guess what, guys? It doesn't change pretty much from the other ones. So for our transformation rule, we have f of x equals a times b to the x minus c power plus d. So that's our function. F of x equals a times b to the x minus c plus d. Okay, so remember our d is our vertical translation. So that's what tells us whether we're going up or down. Our d also tells us our asymptote. Our asymptote depends on our d. Our asymptote is y equals d. Okay? Our c, that's our horizontal movement, right? Whether we're going right or if we're going left. And what do we need to remember about our x's? Our x's lie. All right. Next is our stretch and compression. Our stretch and compression depends on our a value. Our stretch, compression, and reflection depends on our a value. Okay. Just like before, if a is greater than 1, it's a vertical stretch. If a is between 0 and 1, it's a compression. And if a is negative, then it's a reflection over the x-axis. That's the thing. Okay. Does all this still sound familiar? Did it make a big difference or change from one function to another? No, it's just like the absolute value, just like the quadratic, just like the square root. Bam, here we are with the exponentials. Left, right, up, down, stretch, compress, reflect. Okay? Yes? How do we feel? Okay, cool, awesome. So what you're gonna do here is transformation practice. So we're gonna use our previous knowledge of transformation rules, or you can use your Desmos to graph the following functions and analyze them. So again, you can use Desmos if you want to create the graph, or you can use our rules to know whether you're going left, right, up, down, stretching, or compressing, okay? So whichever way you want to challenge yourself, I would like for you to give it a shot. Cool? All right, and I will be here if you need help. Okay, so if you use Desmos, you can get the graph, see the values, and create the graphs and analyze them. Or you can use our transformation rules, knowing what causes which values to go left and right, like we've learned previously, and use that. Either way, you can get the graphs, and then you should be comfortable analyzing. When you do number 3, understand that it's technically not
Good morning, Waco High.